Hey y'all, what's up? So
What up?
Today is December 23rd. It is Wednesday. It's Wednesday, right?
Yep.
Yes, and so today is the day where we are going to share the news with my family. So everyone's not here yet, but my mom, my sister, both my sisters, my brother-in-law, my niece, and then my older brother's on his way. When he gets here after dinner, we're all relaxing, hanging out. That is when we're going to give them the news. So definitely stay tuned. I'm super excited. They have no idea at all. So
I can't wait to see their reaction.
Yeah, so I'm gonna try to catch it on video. Hopefully they don't understand what I'm doing when I whip out my camera, but we're gonna give them the cards all at the same time, have them open it all at the same time, and then you guys will see.
I'm excited. You excited, babe?
I'm really excited. So we'll see you soon. Stay tuned.
Ready for more joy to the world. Love the Cotterals. A 4th of July, baby? How fun! I'm like, that's right! Joseph, we were right! Oh my God! Congratulations! Congratulations! You and Aaron were the same name as Bear. So it's a boy, right?
It's a boy.
Elle Aaron Cotteral.
Oh!
The boy that Dad wanted.
Yeah.
Wait, you're having a fucking baby?
Yeah.
Oh, he was dreaming. Ah! Damn. Wow.
Great.
Yes. Thank you. Sorry.
I'm sorry.
So what's everybody's first response, Mom? How's it feel? You're gonna have your first grandson.
Oh my God, I'm gonna be there when the baby's born. So.
G.
Him and I were just talking about babies.
No. I did not want to do it. I had to.
Oh, I'm so happy for you too. I can't wait to be there as well. Oh.
Garrison.
I'm
My
definitely
dad's
gonna be there.
but my mom's Garrison.
That's a congratulations.
Yeah.
Deetra, what's your response? How do you feel?
I'm just really excited for you guys.
Thank you.
Hope you guys are coming back to Seattle.
excited.
Come on.
I'm way more
Mama G
fucking
said
excited.
that.
No, they're just getting the house built. You said when you had my first grandbaby, you guys
How do you
moved back
feel?
to
You're gonna have a little cousin.
You come to the west side, but they just built the house. They can't.
He will be coming at some point for sure.
Yep.
At
So
some
honey,
point.
how do you feel now the family knows?
It feels so relieving now.
Let's drink to that.
Holding that in was tough.
It was just him and I in there. We're talking about babies.
You can have a seltzer and second
Yes,
cheer.
And
yes.
I told him, you know, I'm
Now
I
everyone
said-
knows.
I'm very happy that